Great and beautiful morning and evening to you all, wherever you are joining me at this hour. Welcome to 355 edition of Investdata Trading Academy live with Ambrose. Yes, today is the last trading day of the week, and the global market. I will tell you, the global equities are now are missed as we speak now. Some markets are seeing the price looking up, while some market prices are looking down as a result of what hot US inflation report that hit the market yesterday. As this report now underscore the Fed intends to what to keep no interest rate high, and also to look at what inflation, where inflation, we want to quit where inflation is looking at. That these are the factors, like I told you yesterday, that all eyes are on this inflation data to give a clear direction or a clue where no Fed will be going. But with this, we are saying now, looking at other figures, economic data that emerged from different, the climate of the world, different domain. We saw that of China also, so that China consumer price index for the month of September was kind of stagnated at 0% on year, in September, after kind of rising by about 0.1% in the month of August. This world market was projecting that we expect to see an increase of 0.2% in China. But we see that it was stagnated. We saw a decline in that regard. You can see that is why China economic data and what is happening there is not too clear. And also, being that Europe, especially Germany and Europe, and all have a lot of business deal with China, what they are seeing, in addition to what is happening, in addition to what is happening, in the eurozone, because this volatility from this macroeconomic data, we saw that in China, their consumer price index they also was kind of stagnated, and that of their producer price index also declined. It shows what is happening there. And market is expected to react to all these figures, and also what is happening in the Middle East, and that of Russia and Ukraine. You can see that this volatility will continue. Like I tell you that this last quarter of the year, expect volatility, but you as a trader must take advantage of all this movement up and down in price to create wealth for yourself by knowing when to buy low and sell high. Don't be greedy, because information can move market up and also down. But as we speak, these are the events that have happened so far. Like I told you that the consumer price index for US events that have happened so far. Like I told you that the consumer price index for US also rose to 3.7 on the year-on-year basis in September, and this also compared to the expectation of 3.7 from the market. This also is part of what they're going to match what is happening right now for the statistics released so far about job data and all those stuff. This volatility in food price and also energy price also will compare what Fed will be doing in their next February and their next November meeting. And this is what all eyes are across the globe to see where the world is going from here, because that you can't separate US being the largest economy in the globe today, followed by China. Whatever happens about that environment, as they will also have inflation activities in the global economy. But China data, like I said, is remain weak, which also investors are looking at. But focus is back now on the EU market, because I believe that the EU market also, like I told you, what is happening in Russia, in China is also affecting them. But like they were expected to see a speech from from the bank, European Central Bank's governor, and that of the Bank of England and other governors in their meeting that are ongoing. These are the things, because I believe that trade across the globe will be affected with the Middle East problem and all this. This is why investors will also look at where would they be aligning their portfolio, even when there's condition for ceasefire right now in that zone, on that conflict. But I believe we can do more to make sure that peace return, because oil price has also rallied on that strength, although above the $87 per barrel as we speak now. That's why also the pile up of inventory in US, that also, and the sanction, more sanction given to those companies controlling Russia crude, so that have gone above the cap that were given by US. These are the things that also affecting the oil price right away as we speak. But the good news here is that today all eyes are still on more earnings coming from major companies in US, especially the big names in the banking sector in that in that domain. We expect to see JP Morgan results in the market, that of Wells Fargo also to the market, Citigroup, and from the telecom, tech industry, especially Microsoft and others also. All these are the focus right away in the global market, that earnings will start in the market, and these earnings will also shape and give direction where these numbers will go. But third quarter, as I said, that is very, very important. And today, before the market closed in the US, we'll be also seeing this number hitting the market. Just as all eyes here, they were looking the way of what the way of next week. But we can see this the state of the market, both in US, but US market as we speak now is mixed, and that of Europe is mixed, and Asia, or like I told you earlier, was mixed because of reaction to what China data and also what is happening in the Middle East. But in African market, in right down here in NGS in Nigeria, we are seeing that our market has maintained, extending the almost 3 days now green. So yesterday green was light, but just very little. Today also we are seeing that the market is still like slightly in green at this hour, which is a good one. We are seeing the market break almost the same, 7 losers and 7 gainers as we speak. Is a good one for the market, but all eyes are still on what these numbers that are coming. Yesterday we saw that the Central Bank of Nigeria lifted kind of embargo on 43 items that were suspended by the former CBN governor to 2015. Now we're going to see is there going to be high pressure, high demand. Already we have not seen like injection of liquidity of forex to the market, to this FX market that were having issue all this while. We see that Nigeria have suffered a lot of devaluation for a long period of time, and not only that, availability of dollar is not there. And if you really want to drive industrialization in Nigeria, you need to, because most of the equipment and others are being imported. Are they encouraged? Is there any plan also on ground for government to do that? They encourage companies to do backward integration. Yes, we know what happened, in cement industry during Obasanjo. Right now, from this lift we are seeing on the on the band of all this imported item, that cement is number one there. I think that cement will be open to to every importer, and that what's going to do to our cement industry, especially we already before now had Boa trying to put the price down. Dangote, we have not seen the move. The Wako is there, but with this lifting of and we're seeing importation, it's going to crash prices there. It's not going to affect this sector performance. These are the things the government also be looking at, because if you want to really run your industrialization, you need to have the way of encouraging them, because FX is not an easy thing. Yes, we have a backlog of about 10 billion that are yet to be settled. We're not lifting up. No, we need to balance it. But I believe that tomorrow in the premium class where we're having a Q&A, we'll do more on this so that investors or they will know what to do with the lifting in the embargo for the 43 items. Is it a good thing for the market or the economy right now? Yes. What are the central bank done to make sure that this thing, have they done the needful, let me put that way, to make sure before they leave this thing? Because I believe that there will be high demand for those items. Even when people have forgotten about those items, because now with the lifting, all want to go to the export and the import window to get this, and that also fuel the demand on the parallel market, which is the black market, we call it here. Because if you want to know all this so that we will understand, or because if you look at the statement, we see that the CBN they are still consulting with the operators in the industry. If you are still consulting with them, why taking such decision at this point? I think that's why I say we need to hear from them. They need to start talking. At the is let them be telling us what to do. That will boost investors' confidence and also give direction for the business owners and everybody. But if there's no alignment, if there's no roadmap where we are going from the fiscal and the monetary policy, it's difficult for anyone, even foreign investor, to know where the economy is going. But if you see your roadmap, your plan, and where you're going, that will help people to focus and also to measure what the government are doing and what they are saying, to see if whether they are tallying or not. I think this is what I believe, that though the government is doing the needful to make sure that the economy come, the government should do the needful to make sure the economy come to the direction they want. And I know that they have good plan for Nigeria, they meant well for Nigeria, but let's tell us where we are going so that we will follow, and that will put confidence and perception. But perception is very, very important. If the perception is that we're on the right path, it's going to boost a lot of confidence. But if the perception is that, okay, we're guessing, going to also kind of dampen confidence. We need to know where you are going, and see that it's clear and it's workable. You can see that not just coming to adjust policies without proper preparation, also making pronunciation without proper preparation. That means you are going in and out of your decision, which is not too good. I believe that this is also what we are looking down here. But the market, as to speak now, remain in green Nigeria here, which for me is not a bad one. This is the last trading day of the week. We are seeing that for this week, for the past before yesterday and today now, market have been oscillating, but still market is still on the consolidation stage. It has not break out from where it is now. So that investors should also understand that the market on the sideline, or also on the kind of kind of side trending or in raging mode, it's also good. But at that time, I'll tell you, most operators in the market feel bad because when market starts trending or is ranging, you don't see more activity. The market is going up or down. You can clear whether people are selling up to take profit or people are selling to make profit. People are selling to cut loss or people are selling to make profit in the uptrend. That is where they make more. But now the market is there, no activity. But people have to trade with caution as we speak right away now. But I believe that for as far numbers are ahead, a factor that I expect that will change change the direction of the market or support the market in uptrend are coming. That's why I can see that a lot of activities are slowed down in the market now because we're coming closer to next week to start seeing the early filers. Especially that one early filer was surprised us today, either from Infinity Trust Mortgage Bank or from Yoka or Africa Prudential. Any of them, even Transcorp can surprise us because don't forget that Transcorp really did it in the second quarter, but only that their meeting date to approve appraisal period is still ahead, which by from next week we'll start seeing more of them. Most times, most companies will not give notification of closure period. They can still come with results, surprise to let us know that we take the market unaware. But I feel that these are things we're looking at as we speak right away. But if you look at what the market is doing, market is still in the green. Fine, like I told you earlier, market is doing 67,174.98. That's about 41.79 basic point up. But the markets are around the 0.05, which is almost 0.1 as we speak right away now. That is what we're seeing right away. But if you look at market bread is flat, 7 advancers and 7 decliner this moment. But we want to look at those out of that. So let's say the top one from the market now to guide us. But I think that internal is leading with that pack now, 9.7% down, followed by the that communication. You can see the Veteran Capital, also insurance company, Cabaton, and also Women Bank. These are the top 5 losers right away. On the gainer side, we are seeing the University Press, also leading with 9.3, followed by John Holt. We are seeing Thomas Was also with that, ABC, and and also insurance companies. Okay, Sovereign Trust Insurance are the one also. These are the 5 top ones. But if you come to activities chart now, we look at what is happening. UB has sustained the momentum as we speak now. UB is doing 17 naira, 60 kobo, that traded 32.76 million shares this hour, followed by GT code at 34.50, traded about 11.5 billion shares. Transcorp is down again to 6 naira 10 kobo, traded by 8.23 million shares. And the last one there is what? Access Bank is following. Access Bank is doing 1585, 4.3 million shares, and Women Bank 463.6 million shares at this point. This is the state of the market. Then we want to move toward to see what the chart saying or what the chart is doing and look like, so that we know what to do at this hour, because it's very, very important that we know where the market is going. Looking at market interval and is where it's heading. This market internals or interval to help also to read where is the market heading, and that position also will help every investor to know whether the market is gathering momentum to go in the up direction or market is also wobbling. Once you know where the market is going, especially as market remain at this consolidation stage, you need to know what are going to be the next catalyst that will put the market up in that direction or put the market down to the other direction. You must understand. And this opportunity for those that are position trader, you remember I've said it almost 3 times this week now, to buy. For traders, you are waiting for a reconfirmation or a breakout. Yes, because market is on a side trend, and when market is side trending, no activities, you have to play with caution in that stage. Once the market moves up or down, to know what you are doing, because it's when what you are trading. But I believe that once you have your plan and your plan is intact and you are following the plan, not just having a plan in paper and you are doing elsewhere. If you are following the plan you have, it will guide you also to manage your risk, and at the same time know when to take your profit and also when to cut your loss. These are things that is very important, that you must start with your plan, and also you must prepare yourself before the trade. As you open your chart now, the first thing you look at, where is the market heading to? Is market doing lower low, higher high? Is market starting? Because there are 3 directions of the market anytime. The market is looking up, or market is looking down, or market was side trending. That was side trending, you see consolidation, and that's why I say this phase of the market is very, very important, that you have to understand it. Is the market consolidating? Once you know that market is on the consolidation mode, or market is trending up, you know that market trending up has also different in these indicators or to use to trend a market that is trending up. Also, when the market is pulling back, you know they have also some indicators or some tools to look at where it's going to bottom out Also, when the market is consolidating, you need to look at when it's going to break out. This is why in any market, market direction, you must understand different tools and strategies that we need to trade that market. Because rather you need to trade it an uptrend market. That's why we have a trend follow indicators. The one that market is going up or is going down, you must know the one to adopt so you can take advantage of the market with what knowledge you have, with your plan and indicators you are using to work to read the market. You must understand where the market is going. It's very, very critical. The first thing that you must look at, you must know where is the market going from where it is. Is it doing an uptrend or a downtrend? Or is oscillating or side trending? Once you're able to mark out this out, it will help you also to exactly know what to do in that word in that regard. And that's why when we come to this class, when I open, I start with all this telling you that you must understand the market structure. I mentioned market structure, so you understand the multiple time frame that we use. I'm just trying to recall what I will tell you. And also, what are your position strategy? You must know where is the market. Is here at the value area? You must look at your chart very well to know, because that will help you to create weight. You have seen the market direction. You know the multiple time frame to use to know exactly. You also look at the position strategy, strategic position strategy. You know what to do with that particular strategy at that particular time. These are the things that are very key. And if you know all this, it will help you to know, okay, here is my goal, my trading plan. Okay, you are taking away emotion. At the same time, you have put you have also known your entry and your exit strategy, like I said before. You know your profit target. All these are very, very important. You look at the big pictures, which also we're looking at where is the market going. You want to look at also what is happening in the economy, in interest rate, in the money market, and also know what is happening in the bond market, what is happening in the general economy, and also the equity market, so that you know the stage where you should also swing to. It's very, very important that when market swing to that level, you're already there, because you understand where the market is going and what is happening in the market, than you are running up and down guessing. No, you must know all these technically so that it will help you to make what to make informed investment decision. Like I just said, that look at the market now. You can see it here. I want to come back to practical so we can look at it together. See the market on the what on the side trend. But before I continue here, there was what I showed yesterday. I want to quickly show you again at this hour. Yesterday I told you that the market is still trending at this point. But I said this is my momentum indicator. Consider momentum indicator yesterday after for the class yesterday. Consider it was coming down. Consider instead the momentum indicator is still very, very strong. Even the market is side trending, consider that where it's going up here. Even at this market side trend at this point, momentum indicator is going up. This is what we call a bullish divergence. You can see even when the market is trying to side trend here, you see at this point now, it's possible that the market will break out and you see a pause here, but we're seeing good momentum going toward the market. For me, it's a good one to watch. But also, if you look at the chart I display for today's write-up on the market, you can see that market is already an uptrend in that chart. If you can go back and see the title of today's market update and also the chart that come with that, you can see that is also very, very important that we note. But let me see if I can see that chart here now. Exactly. This is the chart I'm telling you. Look at this chart here, you can see the trend here. But market has come to this level, it's already making a move up. That's why you are seeing the word trend up. You can see it here looking up. Even when the money flow is looking down here, almost 30 points. That's why you don't use only one indicator to look at. That's why I show you that momentum indicator I show you. But money flow telling us fund is looking in the market. Why the trend is telling us trend is looking up. You can see it from here. And that's why I said this is called a form of a bullish divergent or a very divergent, but you must know where it's going. That's why when I check the other momentum indicator, I told that it's looking up. That's why I said it's a bullish word divergent that we're seeing. Even this one is coming down, it's likely to turn any moment from now. As we go to live market, look at what the money flow is doing right away to see whether it's an upturn or also maintaining a downtrend. We'll check and go to live market again. We'll come back to our live market as we're discussing. You can see it here. I know I've brought this in many times. The market at this level, this is a strong support level. Why is the standard? In between is what we call the consolidation level. Because a touch up here, come down, touch here. These are becoming the level the market is maintaining now. But recently, in this area, you can see another sideways movement we are seeing here. Market is making a sideways movement with oscillating pattern in volume. You can see that volume have been going up and down, even since the side trending. That means all eyes can see what will the next green. But despite we have seen the past 2 days to be green, marginal gains, and to this month we see marginal gain. You must know where the market is going from here. Just quick one. Let's go back and see. Let's call our indicators for our class before we now use at the different time frame. That is multiple time frame to look at the market and tell us where it's going to. Let's start today. We're using an ADS. That is directional movement of the market. We need to look at that one to see, also to give us a clue where the market is going. We must take a look at that this morning. Yes, like I also have to speak now. JP Morgan third quarter is like adjusted revenue beat expectation. Let's see what are coming there later. But let's go to our indicators. Next one there, we're going to our money flow and our T line. Since we're using ADS, we're not using the MACD this time. Let's go to money flow and quickly. And money flow is looking up like just I told you now. Money flow has gone up this morning from 30 to 38.01. You can see the sharp movement. That is the funds are entering the market. That's why I said there's a bullish that, but then it was going down. But I told you that look at where it is right now. If you look at the money flow in the line, you see that it's looking up already. We're coming there. Let me call up this T line up so that I can show you. Then we'll now start from that point this hour. Yes, you can see that the money flow is looking up here. You can see it from as low as 30, it's back to 38. I tell you, once it cross the 50 here, the 50 basis point here, that is a good strong number. But you can see that it's looking up. It's a good sign. And if you look at the ADS, I tell you that whenever you see that the blue one is on top of the red one, it's a sign that there's strong momentum. But whenever it comes below, you can see that at this point, even when the T line is becoming our resistance here, you can see that it also show here. You can see that it has crossed weak momentum here because market is below the T line. You can see it here, but we are seeing that coming at this point, the market, as you can see, it has tried to cross, but right now, marginally. But let's see if I can zoom this in. You can see that it just marginally. We have seen this cross. We have to look at it again together. Look at it, you can see it has crossed. The red one is below now, the blue one is up, which is a good one for the market. But I'll tell you that the ADS is very weak because it's below 20, reading at around 14. 14.33, which is weak on a day chart. We are coming to look at other time frame. Like we're going to look at other time frame. But good thing that as we speak now, the market is trending on top of what? On top of the T line, and that is why we say the market is relatively weak, but still start trending for a purpose. You can see it now. It remain above the T line. But as we speak this morning, you can see where the market is right away now. Market has gone up, coming down, and this the candlestick we are seeing here, this sign is not too good for an up market. Even that this what we call multiple top. Well, you can see there, you get to this level, also the same thing here, more the same thing here. For this one, just see the morning or afternoon, wait the market close. But I tell you, this is not too good, unless there is a change. But let's see, it has gone up, it has come down to this level again, but still in marginal green as we speak right now. Let's see, go to other indicators to see. Like I told you now, we have seen all the indicators here. We have seen what they are giving us sign of market. The momentum is still strong. That's why they're relatively strong. Let me use that relatively because you can see that money flow is looking up below 50. This one has crossed, but ADS is telling us market is relatively weak because the trend the market is relatively because the ADS is trading below 20. You can see it here, but still good that it's trending. Not either breakout up or down. So what we call it in here is this kind of phase. It's called distribution phase. Market people are taking profit, people are buying until confirm either a continuation of what a markup or a breakdown. At this point of accumulation, at this point of accumulation, distribution, no one want to call it, but I'll tell you this is a form of accumulation, looking for a breakout up or a breakout down. You can see distribution trying to come down, accumulation trying to work to break up. Depends on your, but I believe that market is already at the accumulation stage. For those are position traders, they are what taking the position right way as to speak. Let's go to different time frame. Start from 1 hour now to see what the market is doing in the last 1 hour. Last 1 hour, market has made up and down. You can see the last 2 hours green, red. You can see, I can see that momentum is weak on 1 hour chart. Money flow is looking down to 53 on 1 hour chart. Then if you look at the 15-minute chart, then we'll now look at the 4 hour chart. 15-minute chart is also the sign of weakness. 15-minute time, and this is a short time frame looking down. You can see it here. The ADS is below 20. You can see a crossover of the weak one. The market becoming weak on the 15-minute time. But the final look at the 4 hour chart. That was the final before we go to other stuff that I want to consider for the day. On 4 hour chart, I'm seeing a good move in the market. Very nice one. If you understand the analysis, you can see money flow on 4 hour chart is moving up sharply I consider the blue one is about to cross the red one, and that is our money, and the ADS around 19. I mean, it can move to 20 any point. For me, this is a good point to watch. The market is not really bad at all on this 4-hour chart. That's why it's very, very important to look at it. Even on other, there's a kind of a mixed trend, with other time frame. But I'll tell you, for day chart and this 4 hours, I see the market is still very strong. You can see what the money flow is doing on 4 hours position on the market. You can see continuation of, and the 3 hours so far, this hour or 2 hours was what we did yesterday. Market is still very, see sign I'm seeing here. One, there's a crossover here, good one, and you can see where money flow saying that there's still strength in the market, at large. There is still strength in the market at large. There is still strength. For me, let us just keep our finger crossed and watch. Let's look at this stock. While we're looking at this stock, we have seen the kind of the way the stock is shining in the market today. This recently, the stock that remain above the T line, for a while, and let's see what is still pushing this stock up now. It maintain this position as we speak all these days, and let's see how far, what opportunity that investor can take here. On a 4-hour chart, you can see for yourself that there's still strong momentum in UBA. But also the same pattern the index did. You can see it here. The last candlestick here show that same pattern. It's up already almost to around 17, almost to around 1780 or almost 18 naira before it pull back again today. You can see it there. But you can see sharp momentum, strong momentum, money flowing on 4-hour chart. For me, it's a good one for UBA. And also, if you look at the 1-hour chart, yes, still very positive, but looking at our money flow is already good one. But you can see that here, it went up on 1 hour before. You can see where it has gone up here before pulling back. Now it's in red again at this point. It's possible that people being Friday profit taking activities, but I think it won't affect the stock much. The money flow is looking down here on the 1 hour chart. Then quickly look at the 15-minute chart before we look at the day chart, and then we'll now move to other stock. UPA on a day chart, you can see on a 15-minute chart, you can see that profit taking also have hit the stock. It came down below the T line, it has crossed it up again. But you can see that momentum is still very, very strong. ADS is reading 36, 38. For me, it's a good one. But money flow is down because this is short. Now we can see it down here below 20, 17, but on the side trend now. For me, let's keep our finger across for UBA if you're already in that position. The next one we're looking at is we're looking at GT code. Look at GT code and access. We're seeing a buying interest in the banking sector. That's why we're going to look at this banking sector's indicator. Then we'll also look at transport, what is happening. But the GT code on 15 minutes chart, you can see that the last 15 minutes is a sign of what we call a bullish engulfing, covering the last candlestick here. You can see it here for me. But you can see that on 15 minutes chart, the momentum has changed. And that is why we are seeing them coming down all this while. But now I see money flow looking up slightly this hour on 15 minutes chart for GT code. Let's look at 4-hour chart for GT code before I come to 1-hour chart to look at. On 4-hour chart, it's still below the T line, and what is not, you can see that the momentum is weak here. Money flow, you have to check the stock with caution. But for those that are there, hold your position and watch. Then you also look at it in 1-hour chart to see. The 1-hour chart, it mentioned the same thing. Looking for weak momentum. We have seen a sell, no pressure here because it's below the T line, and they cross it up before any other thing. And this for a day chart. But then look at 1-hour chart. I've seen 1-hour chart already. Look at what government starts saying also weak. Let's quickly go to access. Then finally look at the transport and Zenith Bank to round up the class for today. This for access. I see access position on a 1-hour chart is slightly flat on the T line. You can see that the momentum is good but not strong. Money flow is looking up, but you can see that momentum is looking up. ADS is still low around 13, below 20. But 1-hour chart is not looking too bad. You can see that it's trading up above the T line. But look at the 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart, the formation of 4-hour chart, you can see it here. This is a sign of weakness. But you can see the 4-hour chart, you can see the momentum is still strong. That's why I think the stock not going below 1570. All this while, you can see the momentum is still very strong here. 4 hour start, we're seeing our money flows around 44, yes, below 50, but also ADS as we speak now is also 19.31, 19.34, still so relatively weak, but once above 20. But for me, the access bank, if you're in, for medium and long term, hold your position and watch. But yet, by God grace, tomorrow we're discussing details on all this in the Q&A class, so that the investor will know exactly what to do. And those companies will expect to start hitting the number even over the weekend or from that Monday, also to be discussed in that class. Yes, as I said earlier, Zenith and the transport will be the last for today. We are seeing some activities coming up in Wando, or look at the Wando on Monday, or because the Wando also more in the what in the Q&A class. Zenith Bank on 4 hour start, you can see it's also most are trending above the T line, flat on it. Momentum is not bad. Money flow is within 74. For me, it's not a total one for Zenith Bank. Look at the day chart for that stock. The same pattern with 4 hours. Only that we are seeing a weak trend in terms of MACD, in terms of ADS, while money flow is within 46. Then we look at 1 hour chart for the stock. Now we'll see 1 hour chart is not looking bad. You can see market is trading. You can see that it's making an uptrend, but the candlestick formation here is a weak sign that we are seeing an uptrend, and we're seeing this kind of hammer, invert hammer, it's sign of an uptrend, it's a sign of weakness. But money flow on the 1 hour chart is strong, almost reaching 69 straight. For me, it's not a bad one for Zenith Bank. You must look at what the technical is saying, and as we are looking forward to see the financials of this company. We're looking finally the transport. Transport has gone up. What is doing in 1 hour chart? In 1 hour chart, there is separation in transport profit taking. You can see it below the T line right away. And there's also the blue one coming down. And money flow is there. What is it called? ADS is sharp around 53. But we're seeing on that it won't last. Even just strong. There's that the momentum. You can see that the T line is also serving as what resistance right away. That's a sign of weakness. And money flow is coming down. I can see that it's looking flat around 54 on the 1 hour chart. Quickly look at a 4 hour start to see what the state of transport. You can see even the 4 hours, you can see that it's now trading below the T line here. You can see it for yourself. This red candlestick here. I can see that the blue one is coming. Once they cross again, the sign of weak momentum, and money flow is already looking down to be the 68.7 or 69.71. Although it's in a reversal at this point, and if you're surprised by next week, you see a transport result and you reach market expectation, you see a strong reversal. We can see how far that remain. Even when it comes down, you can see that the blue one have remained above the red one. Apart from this one is the ADS, ADS line. These are the two we're looking at, the blue and the red. You can see that the momentum has been strong in transport. Sorry, has been strong in transport. For me, there's no cause for alarm. Let's keep our cross in transport and watch to see where it's going. On this note, I'll say thank you. See you tomorrow in the live class Q&A section by 12 also tomorrow. On this note, I'll say thank you for joining us throughout the week and enjoy your week, the remaining days of the day and your weekend also. Bye. See you next week.